Welcome to our channel. Today we how to update HTTP/2 support on Nginx for faster sites. Quick tutorial step by step clearly. To update HTTP/2 support on Nginx for faster sites, begin by ensuring you have the latest version of Nginx installed. Open your terminal or command line interface. Check your current Nginx version by typing Nginx and hitting enter. If your version is outdated, you will need to update it. On a Debian-based system, update the package lists with sudo apt update. Then upgrade Nginx by typing sudo apt upgrade Nginx. For Red Hat-based systems, use sudo yum update Nginx. After updating, verify the version again to confirm the upgrade was successful. Next, it's time to enable HTTP/2 support in your Nginx configuration. Open the main configuration file by typing sudo nano/etc/nginx/nginx.conf. Locate the server block where you have your SSL settings defined. Ensure you have the listen directive configured for SSL. Add HTTP2 to the listen directive, so it reads listen 443 SSL HTTP2. Save your changes in the text editor and exit. Next, you should check the Nginx configuration for any errors. Run sudo nginxt and look for any warning or error messages. If there are no issues, proceed to reload Nginx to apply the changes. Type sudo system to reload Nginx to restart the server without downtime. To confirm that HTTP/2 is enabled, use a web browser or an online testing tool. Inspect the site's headers using the developer tools for check with curl. Type curl is http2 https://yourdomain.com and look for HTTP/2 in the response headers. If you see it, congratulations, HTTP/2 is now enabled on your Nginx server. This will improve your site's performance with features like multiplexing and header compression. That's it for this tutorial on updating HTTP/2 support on Nginx for faster sites. Follow these steps to ensure optimal speed for your website. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.